Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to disable Temu Background Activity. So if you want to stop Temu from running in the background, these steps depend on your device. So if you're using iPhone, so iPhones don't let you completely block an individual app from running in the background, but you can disable its background refresh. So to do that, open your phone settings. Now go to General. Next, scroll down and select Background App Refresh. Now in here, find Temu from the app options, then turn the toggle off just like so. You can also limit Temu's mobile data by opening settings, then scroll down and tap cellular, then scroll down and turn Temu off if you don't want it using mobile data in the background. So look for Temu in here and just toggle it off just like so. So disabling background activity may reduce battery and data usage, but Temu won't refresh notifications or content until you open the app again. If you're using Android, you can open Settings, then go to Apps or App Management and select Temu, then tap Battery and choose Restricted or turn off Allow Background Activity depending on your phone. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.